Dreamstime.com audio.
I'm Dheeraj. I have done MTech in VLSI design from NIT A, and I'm the part of IGC team, right? So today we have one of the very special guests, okay, Surajit Das, okay. He has got 87 rank in GATE 2023 in Electronics and Communication branch, okay. And as well as he has done, he has got double achievement, you can say. In instrumentation, he has got 165 rank. Okay, we will be directly moving to Surajit. So, hi Surajit. First of all, let me congratulate you on a behalf of IGC team. And I will be just asking some of the question. Okay, so you can answer based on your experience, right? So,
Yes, yes.
can you briefly introduce yourself?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, IGC team, to give the opportunity to share my view regarding this thing. Actually, I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I complete my BTech in 2021 in Regent Education Research Foundation College. After
Okay.
that, I start preparing for GATE. Last year also, I appeared the GATE. At that time, my rank was 821. But the main thing is, see, at that time when I appeared the GATE exam, I was actually not satisfied by my performance because
Okay.
some silly mistake was there. Because also my rank was not that much of my expectation. So I thought, see, why should I waste 1 year? I should join a job. So that's why I joined Samir actually in a research scientist post, because I have to also support my family for
Great.
the financial support. So that's why
Okay.
I
So,
also take that job. And regarding this thing, side by side, also preparing for this year. And
okay.
I am planning this year actually for appearing
Yeah.
the gate.
Yeah, great to know about you, right? So, how are you feeling about with your achievement after after getting double digit rank in GATE 2023?
Definitely, sir. Actually, I also means after getting the exam, I thought ki my performance was good. But means whatever my previous performance, I really thought that ki my this year performance is very good. But double under 100 rank, I was really I was not expecting.
Okay.
But that thing I know ki my performance was good, and I'm fully satisfied by my exam.
Okay, so you joined IGC last year for HAL-DT exam course, right?
Yes,
And
sir. Yes,
after that,
yes,
you
sir.
got in the audio research scientist post. Then in BARC as well, you got a scientist position, and now in GATE
Yes, sir.
2023, right? So it is a wonderful journey for you. Okay, so how was your learning experience, with IGC? Can you mention, IGC lecture, assignment, guidance? In preparation, planning, and strategy? Anything if you want to add?
Yeah, sure, sir. Actually, I know the IGC platform very well after a long time.
Yeah.
When I just came here, I supposed to know that there is some main thing is that there is a means lots of experience teachers are there, like you,
Yes.
Dinesh sir, Rajkiran sir. Means they are very much experienced, so they can guide me a very good way. Because I means I know whatever my basic is, that I know. But you guys always telling me ki you have to go in this way, you have to go that way, such that you can achieve your goals in a very crucial manner. So that is the main advantage. And if I say about the lectures and assignment already, because assignment I also appeared, lots of assignments will be there. I know what kind of question level it is, because
Yeah.
most of
Great.
the questions are designed by you, and all are new questions, not a kind of copy paste and all. So
Yes.
that is the main thing. Also, I remember ki when I designed some new questions, I also asked you also help me regarding the new concept and all.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
that is the main motivating part of me, because when a good supporter will be there, always they guiding in a good way. So it will be definitely a means great support for me.
So, Surajit, moving to next question, how did you manage your time during preparation as you were working, but your doubt support to fellow student was also appreciable in Telegram? How was how did you manage your time? Like you were.
Actually, sir, definitely, because sir, time is very crucial, because our job timing is always is 9 to 5. So it's a
Okay.
very means lengthy time because most of the time we have to devote it there. But still, I manage some time because 3 hours and 4 hours I already managed in my office. And I have very much strong-minded. I have to dedicatedly study 3 or 4 hours in the office time, and rest of when I came house, I have to also appearing some tested and all. Whatever the assignment question you design in the group, also you design some new question in the group and also appear this question. And whatever the doubt I have, you also solve.
Yeah,
So
like
yeah, I
the
have to
analog
manage
and
because
network theory. Yeah.
yeah, definitely, sir, definitely. I also clearing my doubts from Rajkiran sir. Rajkiran sir also is a very good expert in EDC. So
Okay.
he also cleared my lots of doubts. So that is the thing because time is very crucial. It is not like that we cannot do in that way. If you are very much good enough of planning.
So, yeah. So, what was the toughest aspect in your? Okay, Surajit. So, what was your toughest aspect in your gate preparation? That I want to. In fact, many audience might be, willing to know from you. Yeah. What was your
Yes,
toughest
sir. Yes.
aspect in your gate preparation?
Yes, toughest aspect. If from my point of view, I would like to say ki, see when I appeared last time, I also prepared means whatever the topic, whatever the subject I completed in last time also. But after after realizing this rank, what I feel ki, yeah, only preparation and only strategy is not your means the main thing that will give you this rank. Also
Okay.
your side by side the main thing is ki your mindset, and second thing is ki you how you will handle a situation in a kind of pressurized situation. That is the main thing because ultimately whatever the 3 hours duration is there in our gate exam, you have to perform in that thing. Whatever your family issue, whatever your side means, whatever your problem, you should just left it and you should just forget it about that. Because if the until and unless you will just remove this thing, you will not means perform this thing in a very good way, because ultimately your motive is to be get a good job or you have to succeed it. But if you thinking about your problem and also your mindset should be very play a very main role regarding as means about your preparation. Your mindset should be very strong.
Okay, so that is one of the very great mantra, in fact, you have shared. So many audience will get an advantage. So as an IGC, I feel proud to be a part of your success journey. Okay.
Thank you.
So, and would like to know any other way IGC has helped you in overall development as an engineer.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to say ki whatever I already say ki my last my bark interview also.
Yeah.
IGC helped me a very much lot. They also take my 1 or 2 mock session, and
Okay.
that mock session was very really good because I get some confidence from there because also it is my first time. So you guys always tell me ki you just do in that way, in just that way, because ultimately you have to just whatever your knowledge is that you have to just convey yourself in a very good way. So fluently
Yeah.
manner is to be very much important. So whatever the thing I have learned from you, Rajkiran sir, Dinesh sir, is
Absolutely.
only that thing ki whatever you know, you just go through, go over.
Great. So, one of the very important question, many audience wants to know from a topper basically, right? Is can you refer some of the books, which become very helpful for your concept clarity during your preparation of GATE 2023? Yeah. Can you
Yes,
suggest
sir.
some of
I
the books?
also I already means referred the standard books. I only study the reference book, study book,
Wonderful.
and
Yeah.
some of the NPTEL lecture. For example, if I talking about analog electronics, I only follow the Cedar Smith
Okay.
and Rajavi, these 2 lectures. Also, I follow the Rajavi lecture in NPTEL in the YouTube also.
Yeah.
In the communication, only the digital communication, like I follow the Simon Hawkins part,
Okay.
and for the toughest part, actually random, very much random process.
Uh-huh.
That part I covered actually from Oliver book. That is a good book actually, means from fundamental to very basic kind of application related questions they have solved there. So Oliver book I have followed, and like EDC I follow the Nieman book, Friedman book, because very famous book of that thing.
Okay.
And any other book like for EMFT, I would like to suggest. I'm actually study the Shiv Gaoka, means I dedicatedly follow him. IIT Bombay lecture, Shiv Gaoka sir.
Yeah. Same
And
with
analog, I also follow our IIT Madras sir, Nagendra Krishnapuran sir, professor.
you.
So
Wonderful.
I also, because I also appeared one interview with him,
Okay.
so
Okay.
I know how
Okay, so
it
you
is.
have gone
So
for a IIT TIMS program, right?
Yes.
Okay.
CIMS movie I also got that thing last year.
So in fact, this
So
year
that is
also,
the main thing.
this year also you will get a chance directly, right? Okay. So
Yes.
moving forward, can you share your like any preparation strategy, with our future GATE aspirant, and when should one start their preparation for GATE examination?
Actually, I personally feel कि regarding anything like any kind of competitive exam like GATE हो गया, BARC हो गया, ISRO,
Okay.
regarding all of उसको side पे रखते हुए one engineer should prepare one time for themselves actually, not kind of for achieving GATE exam and all, because every time it is happening कि we are in the fourth year journey, we are not means in that level we are just reading those things. After
Okay.
if you are means study 1 year or 1.5 year dedicatedly for any kind of thing, if you are not getting result in your expectation, but you can avail lots of things, you can learn lots of things during
Absolutely.
that preparation. So preparation is very much important one time in your life. तो ऑल्सो इन इंजीनियर के लिए तो मतलब ये होना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि lots of opportunities is related to that your main thing only. तो
Okay.
डेफिनेटली थर्ड ईयर से अगर कोई मतलब स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयर कर रहा है तो आई विल सजेस्ट कि डेफिनेटली दे विल बेसिक्स से स्टार्ट करें. बहुत सारा सब्जेक्ट जाता है बेसिक्स से कवर करने के लिए, देन दे विल कवर द अदर हायर टफेस्ट सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑल. तो मेरी
Okay.
तरफ से सर यही होना चाहिए.
Yeah. So, okay. So, just I would like to know that what are your future plans, because you already have got great achievements, double digit rank, as well as
Yes.
double you can say double achievement in instrumentation as well as in electronics and communication, right? After a long time. So, what's your future plan? Please share with our audience.
Future plan right now, I only the looking for my higher study. Also,
Okay.
this year I also means I would like to also inform you that the DRDO scientist B written exam I also qualified.
Oh,
My interview is
congratulations.
in next month. I mean next week actually.
Wonderful.
So I have to appear the interview, and also I main focus I have to higher study.
So in which like you are looking for in VLSI design or AI or machine learning or in
Yes,
micro?
sir. VLSI IC system, analog IC system,
Oh, great.
mainly in this field.
Okay. So thank you, Surajit, to share your wonderful journey with us, right? And again, let me congratulate you from the bottom of my heart, in fact, and behalf of entire IGC team. So I
Thank
will
you.
be wishing you all the best. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.